Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have an Axon Fleet 3 wireless microphone and you need to do a hard reset to the factory default settings on the microphone. Now you're going to want to do this for basically one of two reasons. The first one is troubleshooting. If you're having issues with the microphone not pairing or not connecting with the main unit, or if it seems to be unresponsive, or just not working the way it's supposed to, we can fix a lot of these issues by just doing a hard reset on it to clear the faults out of it. The other reason is if you're going to repair this or set it up as a new device, we could just go ahead and get it back to the way it was when we first got it out of the box with a hard reset on it, which is real easy to do. All you need to do, and it has to have enough power to it for it to do this, but what you're going to do is you're going to come and find the power button, which is right there, and if you just press and hold the power button for 10 seconds. This will force it to hard reset. It will turn off and it will turn back on. And then you can set it up and use it again.